Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in Siemens NX. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to do sweep options by using sweep feature tool. Just go to the software. By using extrude tool we can only normal to the surface we can extrude it. If you want to make a pipe like this, you have to use a sweep option. For that there is an option called sweep along the gate. We just want to use it. We'll learn how to model this type of features in NX. These are the steps we have used. Now to do these type of features, first go to the file, new, model, make sure you are in the millimeter, specify the name, specify the location, just say OK. First create the guide, then create the section. Go to the sketch, plane, I'm just taking the front plane, just say OK. Now create the guide, just take the line. Here I am not going to specify any dimensions, just random line I am going to create. Then here by using this one I am just going to create one arc. Then take one more line, then create one more arc using this 3-point arc. Just random line I have created. Now just finish the sketch. Then we'll create a cross section. For that just go for on path. Select this path, take this point to the end of this path, just say OK. Now we just want to create a cross section which may be a circle, a square or rectangle, any path, just any section, we just create it here. Just create the path, specify the dimension, just close it here. The dimension I am specifying so 50. Say no, just finish the sketch. Now here you can see we have two sections. One is this one, another one is section, another one is the path. Now to use the sweep along the path, you can go to the menu, insert. Here there is option called design feature, or just go to the sweep. Here sweep along the path. The same tool I have taken in the ribbon. Just click it here. First select the section. This one is the section. Then select the curve. This one is the curve. Now just say OK. Now see, now we have done this sweep along the path. Kind of pipe section we can create by using these tools. The same tool we can go for surface also. Instead of solid, just choose sheet. Just say OK. You will get the sheet metal. Just go here. Just edit parameter. Go to the settings, choose the solid, just say OK. Now we get the solid options. If you want to make it a shell, or just click this one, click here. Now you can specify the thickness. Just say OK. Just cancel it. Like that way we can create it. So in this tutorial we have learned how to do sweep options. In next tutorial we'll come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.